Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make toast bread. Muna, so which shape do you want us to use today? This one or this?
I think we should use this one. Oh, no. Let's use this one because we've already used this before.
Okay, so you want this other shape?
Yes.
Okay,
I
so
love
I'm
it.
going to try this one today. It's gonna be fun, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start by using this shape. And then I'll also fix this one at the bottom part. Okay, so we are ready to make our toast bread.
Yay! I can't wait.
Okay, so how many do you want?
I want... No. I only want it on one side.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You just want one side?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. So we're gonna use this one like this, okay?
All right.
So all I just need to do is to place it this way.
I wonder how the shape will look like.
So,
Oh, look! I think I see the egg now.
really?
Yeah.
So this is how I make it. I kind of like make
You're
some
supposed
space.
to make some holes?
Yes.
To put the egg
Yeah,
inside?
to put the egg inside. Because the egg will make everything stick together at the end of the day.
Oh, that's how to be crunchy as well.
And then I'll pop my egg.
Look, the egg is coming out. This is my favorite part. Whoa, look at that fresh, sticky, gooey, yellow egg. Look, even the egg is dancing now.
Okay. So the next thing to do is to...
Do
you want to try? Okay. You can place the braids just on top. Just place it on top by yourself.
All right.
Good job.
Oh, look, the bread is now inside. Oh, here comes the cooking time.
Here comes my cooking time.
So look, how many lights do we have on here?
One light.
What about this one? Is this on?
No, it's off.
So this is because it's not yet ready. So when the toast is ready, this place is going to turn on. So when the toast is ready, this is going to turn on, okay? So that's how you get to know that your toast is ready. So look, the light is on. So the toast is
Done!
ready.
We're ready. Woo!
Yay! You know it. And
Amazing.
Oh, wow, the smell smells so good.
the shape is so good.
Let's try it.
Ooh, let's bring it out now.
It smells good.
So let's flip the other side and see what it looks like. Wow.
Look. This is egg and the egg.